rain. Lilo doesn't mind being out here in the rain. Fortunately for Peanut, he hates the rain, so I don't know what I'm doing about him with potty breaks, but here's the back of our house. As you can see, it's all boarded up. There's Lilo. Yeah. Lilo loves running in this wet grass. And I have a nice soggy dog. Got the generator that we forgot the batteries for. Look in the garbage cans. Park the car next to the house as much as possible. Got Tracy's motorcycle pinned up and weighted down with cement blocks. Not much else we could do. There's Lilo. So again, 2 o'clock. You can see wind's picked up.